Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a link in a document in Google Docs. If you have text in your Google Doc that's linked to a website, a file, or another page and you want to keep the text but remove the hyperlink. The good news is that it's very quick and easy to do. This is especially useful when you are cleaning up formatting, preparing a document for sharing, or making the text look simpler and more professional. To begin, open your Google Docs document and find the text that contains the hyperlink you want to remove. Hyperlink text usually appears in blue and is often underlined, which helps it stand out from the rest of the document. Once you've found it, place your cursor directly on that linked text. You can also highlight the text if that feels easier. Either method works, as long as Google Docs recognizes the linked text you want to edit. As soon as your cursor is on the hyperlink, or after you highlight it, a small menu or pop-up window should appear near the text. This menu gives you quick options for managing the link. Depending on your screen size or version of Google Docs, the menu may look slightly different, but the option you need will still be there. Next, click the option that says Remove Link, or click the unlink icon if that's what appears in the pop-up. This will immediately remove the hyperlink from the selected text. If you prefer another method, you can also right-click the linked text and choose Unlink from the drop-down menu. This is a helpful alternative if the pop-up doesn't appear right away, or if you are more comfortable using right-click options. After you do that, the text will stay in your document exactly where it is. But the hyperlink itself will be gone. That means the blue color, underline, and clickable link will all disappear, leaving you with normal plain text. This is important to remember. You are not deleting the words, only removing the link attached to them. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other hyperlinks in the document. It's a simple way to make your document cleaner and easier to read, especially if you no longer want readers clicking away from the page. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to remove a link in a document in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.